We've already heard rumors about the iPhone 15 Pro's potential power, due to the new 3nm A17 Bionic chip. Now a new set of Leap benchmarks gives us a clearer idea of how powerful the iPhone 15 Pro is. The listed scores are extremely impressive, outperforming the iPhone 14 Pro by a significant margin, although the numbers are quite different from the previous iPhone 15 Pro benchmark leak. According to the leaker, the iPhone 15 Pro achieved a single-core score of 3,269 and a multi-core score of 7,666. This suggests that the microprocessor will have a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz and 6 processor cores. The score sheet appears to be a Geekbench test. The leaker does not specify which benchmarking tool was used, but based on how these scores compare to the prior benchmarking leak, which claimed that the iPhone 15 Pro's Geekbench 5 results were 2,317 single-core and 6,750 multi-core, I suspect it was Geekbench 6. In the meantime, Geekbench 6 testing yielded a single-core score of 3,019 and a multi-core score of 7,860, indicating a slight increase in single-core performance, but a small decrease in multi-core performance. Apple hasn't officially announced the A17 Bionic chipset, but rumors give us an idea of where this extra performance came from. The chip is anticipated to be the first mobile chip to be built using a 3nm process, which is substantially decreased than the form of A16 Bionic and 5nm chips used in the best Android smartphones. This process node should enable greater efficiency in the chip, with chipmaker TSMC claiming that it could increase efficacy by as much as 30%. In the meantime, the iPhone 14 Pro has 6 GB of RAM. An early iPhone 15 Pro murmur suggested that the phone would have more RAM than its predecessor. However, a leaker recently stated that the likelihood of this occurring is low. The alleged leaker has returned with amended information, according to a Twitter tip. Redditor suggests that Apple examined iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models with both 6 and 8 GB of RAM, but they are unsure which RAM quantity the company ultimately chose and believe that both RAM variants may be available. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.